channel. This is Markeisha. I am here today to share with you guys a project for Die Hard Wednesday, which is a collaboration with Betty Scrap Passion 01. We upload every other week and just showcase our dies. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey my crafty besties. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So Betty and I decided that we would use the beautiful new paper by Frank Garcia, and this is called the Strawberry Milkshake. And so here is the paper. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous paper. If you have not grabbed it, you need to pick up this paper. Very, very nice. So with the collection, I was able to grab the puffy stickers, the Say It in Crystals, and I did use a lot of these products today. The little strawberry puffy stickers, I actually got 2 of those because I think these will be really neat to just add, you know, to your projects. I also picked up the strawberry confetti, and then I picked up the chipboard stickers. So once I got all of my items, as I was ordering my items, things started being sold out. So I had to also place a second order to scrapbook.com, and I'm waiting on some of those things to come. All right, so today I decided to keep it very simple and just play around with the paper. I just wanted to just kind of work with some of the things I had and just play around with the beautiful paper. So the very first thing I'm going to share with you guys today is this envelope Memorydex card here. Let me share with you the products that I use to create this Memorydex. So the Memorydex itself is a SVG file from the Silhouette, and I will link all of that in the description box if you guys are interested in that file. So the die that I use for the cup is an AliExpress die. I also use this heart embossing folder by the Paper Studio. And I also use this rosette die here that I also picked up AliExpress. Okay, so in this pocket, I have some tags that I cut out of the paper. And so I had this little strawberry coffee little embellishment or cabochon in my stash and this red and white ribbon. And so I just created some tags to stick down in the actual pocket here. And then I had this little strawberry embellishment. I also had this little pen that I just added in there. I created this a little while ago. And I had this little strawberry here that I had created a little while ago as well. All right, I'll bring it a little bit closer. So I did some embossing on that little coffee cup. I had this little chocolate spoon in my stash, and you see where I added that little strawberry puffy sticker on the top. Here are some of the chipboard pieces there, the little typewriter. And then this little cookie word is from a die here that I'll share with you that I also use in another project. And that came from the Milk and Cookies die here that I picked up from Amazon. And so the cookies die is right here. All right, and then here's that little rosette there. It's really chunky because I have some of that mesh trim there. And then you can just put quite a bit into the pocket there, and it already has the little tabs using the Say It in Crystals. Okay, so that's the first project. All right, the second project is also using a Silhouette file here. This is also a die here, this little flower here. I cut it down the center and then just had this kind of hanging off of the edge there. I also embossed this coffee cup here, and I wanted it to be like a strawberry frappuccino. And then I added a little strawberry sticker there. And then this is the most adorable little box here that I sized just, you know, down. And I have it closed with some Velcro. And so I'm gonna open it up. And so it just opens up, and then this is a really great size, guys. So in here, I was able to just add one of the little Oreo cookies here that you can stick down in it. And actually, I had more room. Once I stuck it down in there, I probably could have gotten 2 inside of this box. And so you just close it back down, and then you just take it and Velcro it back. So cute, so fun. This will be a really little cute, fun little project, maybe to stick in a backpack for someone, like one of the kids or something. You're sending them to school. I add a little flower here that I had in my stash, and yeah, really, really cute. And of course, with the silhouette, you can resize this to whatever size that you would like to have. This is the die that I use for the Frappuccino there. This is the Peppermint Latte by Cottage Cuts. Project that I'm going to share with you was again using the Milk and Cookies die here. And again, it is a KS Craft die. What I decided to do was simply make some milk. Because it was strawberry, I played with the pink and white. And these are all ready to just simply add on a project. Here I added some cookies that I had in my stash. This actually was a Milk and Cookie clay mix that I purchased, I believe, from Etsy. And so this one is more like a strawberry milk there. And then this here is also using one of the KS Craft die. I used these or created these in another video, and I'll link that. And so I just popped it on there just to give it a little bit more. And then here is the little milk carton from those clay pieces that I was talking about a moment ago. This was actually a chocolate chip cookie here that I had in my stash, and it has some little chocolate pieces on there. So that is just an all white, and then the pink and white. All right, guys, so thanks so much for stopping by my channel today. Don't forget to go over to Betty's channel and check out the projects that she created for you on today. I also will have a playlist down in the description box if you would like to just play along and with us on Die Hard Wednesday. All you have to do is use the hashtag Die Hard Wednesday 2022 to play along. You can upload on Instagram as well as here on YouTube, and we will definitely find your videos or your posts. Now, we do have some ladies who have been participating, so I'll have all of their information below as well if you would like to go over and see what wonderful projects they created today. All right, guys, until next time, I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.